Hello friends, welcome to yet another amazing session of Wisdom Zone. This is Shubro, and friends, today I have a fascinating video because in today's video I'm gonna give you some very interesting weather related vocabulary. So it is my earnest request to all of you, please watch this video carefully to learn all the important weather related vocabulary I'm gonna discuss today. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait friends, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
3, 2, 1.
So friends, welcome back once again to this fascinating session on weather related vocabulary. And as I have already promised, in today's video you are gonna get so many interesting weather related vocabulary. So let me tell you, you can learn all this important weather related vocabulary for your spoken English, and also you can use them in your writing because they are going to be very useful for your writing skills also. And obviously if you are preparing for examinations like IELTS, all these words are going to be very useful for you. So I'll discuss them step by step. Before I go ahead, let me quickly inform all of you that you will find some more videos on advanced English vocabulary and some more important vocabulary in the description. So if you want to learn more words, please do not forget to check the links given in the description. So without further ado, let's get started with today's important weather related vocabulary. So friends, let me tell you, I'm going to give you some weather related vocabulary. At first I'm going to discuss some important summer related vocabulary, and I'm quite sure you are quite eager to learn all these. So as you see, the first one is sunny. It's an adjective. It's a very important one. In most places we see this type of weather in summer. As you see, sunny is bright with brilliant sunlight. That type of weather is called sunny. Let me show you, as you see the example, a sunny day. That means a very bright day with brilliant sunlight. Up next we are going to see the second one, that is scorching. Let me repeat once again, it's scorching. Scorching is an adjective. It means very hot, and it is totally unbearable also. That time we say scorching. It's an adjective too. Let me show you how to use it. A scorching summer afternoon. That means a very hot summer afternoon, obviously. Up next we will see the third summer related vocabulary. As you see, third is sultry. Let me repeat once again, it's sultry. Sultry is also an adjective. It means hot and humid. It's called sultry. So let me show you how to use it. It's a sultry evening. That means it is quite hot as well as humid. That's why this word is used, sultry. Up next we are going to focus on the fourth summer related vocabulary, that is suffocating. Let me repeat once again, it's suffocating. Suffocating is also an adjective. It means kind of weather that makes you feel hot and you are unable to breathe. That type of weather is called suffocating. Let me show you how to use it. You must have faced this kind of weather and you must have suffered also. So next time remember the word suffocating when you are unable to breathe and it's extremely hot. That's called suffocating. As you see the example on your screen, the teacher opened the window as the room was suffocating. That means there was problem of breathing and it was so hot. Next is stuffy. It is slightly similar to suffocating. It is also an adjective. But stuffy is used in case of a small place, especially a room where there is lack of fresh air and it is quite unpleasant. That time we say stuffy in a small room or a place, and it becomes quite difficult to breathe because of lack of fresh air. That time we say stuffy. So as you see the example, it was stuffy inside the car, and I'm quite sure you have already understood it is also an adjective. Up next we are going to focus on the word, that is muggy. Muggy is an adjective. It means unpleasantly warm and humid. It is so warm and humid and it is very unpleasant. We say muggy. So you see a muggy afternoon. That means it was quite unpleasantly warm and humid. I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. Up next, let's turn our attention to the next segment, that is winter. So here I'm gonna give you some very important vocabulary related to winter season. As you see, the first one is freezing. Let me repeat, it's freezing. Freezing is also an adjective. It means very cold. So as you see the example is on your screen, it was freezing last night. That means it was very cold. And next is, as you see, number 8, that is chilly. Chilly is also an adjective. It means cold, not very cold, but it's cold. It's called chilly. See the example is on your screen. So it becomes chilly in January. I hope it's clear. Up next we are going to focus on the ninth one, that is misty, or you can say foggy, both the same. The misty is also an adjective, same foggy. It means presence of mist in air that makes it difficult to see. So that's called misty, or we can also say foggy. There is presence of mist or fog in the air and it becomes difficult to see. So let me show you how to use it. The small hill station is known for its misty mornings in winter. So I'm quite sure it's clear. Up next we are going to focus on the 10th one, that is snowy. Snowy is also an adjective. I'm quite sure you must have heard of it, but it's quite useful. It means characterized by snowfall. Where there is snowfall, that's called snowy. As you see, a snowy winter morning, that means there was snowfall. It's quite common in winter in some places. Up next we are going to focus on the last category, that is rainy season, as you see, which is also common, and in India it's called monsoon. So let me show you some important words related to rainy season. As you see, the 11th one, that is overcast or cloudy, both the same. That means characterized by cloud cover. You see cloud cover in the sky, that's called overcast or cloudy. Let me show you how to use it. It becomes overcast suddenly during rainy season. So remember the word overcast. So if you forget cloudy, you can use overcast. It's a better term to use. Both the same. Up next we are going to see the 12th one, that is drizzle. Drizzle is a noun and it is also a verb. It can be used both as a verb as well as a noun. Drizzle means to rain little or to rain slightly, to drizzle. So let me show you how to use it. It was drizzling last night. That means there was slight rain, little rain, not heavy rain. So that's called drizzle. So you can use it as a verb as well as noun, as I already mentioned. Up next we are going to see the next one, number 13, which is just the opposite, that is teem. Teem is a verb. It means to rain heavily, not drizzle. So to rain heavily and slight rain is called drizzle. I'm quite sure you have understood the difference. So next time do not make this mistake and try to use the right word. As you see the example, let me show you how to use teem. It has been teeming down since the beginning of monsoon. That means it has been raining heavily since the beginning of monsoon. It happens in some parts. Up next we are going to focus on the 14th one, that is thunder. It is a noun. I'm quite sure you know the thunder. The storm was accompanied by thunder and lightning. Up next we are going to see the last one from the rainy season category is stormy. Let me repeat it, stormy. It is an adjective too. It means with strong wind, heavy rain, and often thunder and lightning. That's called stormy. A stormy night, as you see the example. A stormy evening also we can say. That means with strong wind, heavy rain, and often accompanied by thunder and lightning. That's called stormy. So I'm quite sure it's clear. Today I gave you so many important words and you learn different words for different seasons. Rainy season you got some beautiful words, for summer season you got some new beautiful words, and for winter season also you learn some new and interesting words. I'm quite sure you have gone through the examples. It is my earnest request, please try to practice, and if you get time, make sentences and comment below. And I'm quite sure you have found this video equally helpful like my other videos. So it is my earnest request once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait friends. Immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification of this type of informative video. So stay tuned for further informative videos friends, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Wisdom Zone.